Across the vast darkness of the cosmos lie structures so enormous, so powerful, and so ancient that they defy the limits of human imagination. Galaxies, the engines of the universe. From violent star factories to silent cosmic giants drifting through the void, today we explore the greatest mysteries hidden inside these celestial cities. A galaxy is not just a cluster of stars. It is a gravitational kingdom containing billions, sometimes trillions of suns. Most galaxies are so massive that light itself takes thousands of years just to cross from one edge to the other. Inside each galaxy are stars, planets, black holes, dark matter, nebulae, and clouds of dust that form new worlds. Every point of light in the night sky that looks like a star might actually be an entire galaxy far beyond our own. Our own galaxy, the Milky Way, is a barred spiral galaxy stretching over 100,000 light-years. We live inside one of its spiral arms, wrapped by dust, gas, and millions of stars. At the center lies a supermassive black hole known as Sagittarius A, with a mass 4 million times that of our Sun. Every star, including our Sun, orbits this dark giant, and it takes the solar system about 225 million years to complete a single orbit around the galaxy. Not all galaxies look the same. Some form elegant spirals like glowing cosmic hurricanes. Others are smooth, rounded ellipses made of old stars. And then there are irregular galaxies, chaotic structures torn apart by gravity or collisions with their neighbors. The shape of a galaxy tells the story of its past, how it formed, what it collided with, and how violently its stars were born. Galaxies are not peaceful places. They grow through collisions and mergers, smashing together with unimaginable force. When galaxies collide, the stars inside rarely hit each other because the space between stars is enormous. But the gravitational chaos triggers massive bursts of star formation, cosmic fireworks that light up the universe. Our Milky Way itself has swallowed many smaller galaxies, and the process continues even today. The nearest large galaxy to us, Andromeda, is heading directly toward the Milky Way at incredible speed. In a few billion years, these two giants will merge into a new supergalaxy. The night sky will be filled with swirling star clouds as the two galaxies dance around each other. This event will reshape the structure of our cosmic home forever, creating a new galaxy scientists call Milkomeda. Almost every large galaxy hides a monstrous black hole at its center. These supermassive black holes can be millions or even billions of times heavier than the Sun. They control the flow of gas, dust, and even the formation of new stars. When they feed, they unleash jets of energy so powerful they can outshine entire galaxies, creating quasars, the brightest objects in the universe. Most of a galaxy's mass is invisible. Dark matter, an unknown substance we cannot see or touch, forms a massive halo around every galaxy. Without dark matter, galaxies would fly apart. Its gravity holds them together. Though we cannot detect it directly, we see its influence in the rotation of stars and the bending of light across the cosmos. IC 1101 is one of the largest known galaxies, over 50 times the size of the Milky Way. It contains more than 100 trillion stars. These giant elliptical galaxies are so vast that if our solar system were placed inside one, it would be nearly impossible to even find it. They form in the centers of galaxy clusters, absorbing smaller galaxies over billions of years. Even with the most advanced telescopes on Earth and in space, we can only observe a small part of the universe. Scientists estimate that there are more than 2 trillion galaxies in the observable universe. And beyond that lies a cosmic ocean we may never reach. Every direction we look, there are galaxies drifting in silence, each with its own history, its own stars, and possibly its own forms of life. Galaxies are the bones of the universe, ancient, powerful, and endlessly mysterious. As we discover more about them, we uncover more about ourselves and our place in the cosmos. If you want more breathtaking explorations of the universe, subscribe and join us for the next journey into the unknown.